Did you know that an inefficient air conditioner can cost you hundreds in energy bills every summer? What if you could stay cool without breaking the bank? Well, today I've got the best 8,000 BTU window air conditioners that deliver powerful cooling while keeping your electricity costs low. Welcome to the channel. If you're tired of sweating through summer nights, stick around because I'll help you find the perfect AC for your home. And hey, check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Let's dive in. The number 5 product on our list is Windmill 8,000 BTU window air conditioner. What if I told you there's a window air conditioner that actually looks good, cools like a dream, and won't keep you up at night? Meet the Windmill 8000 B2 window air conditioner you can buy today. With a sleek modern design, this unit blends seamlessly into any home. But don't let its stylish look fool you. It's packed with serious cooling power, easily handling rooms up to 350 square feet. Unlike traditional window ACs that blast cold air directly in your face, Windmill's unique 45-degree airflow spreads cool air evenly, making your space feel like it has central air. The ultra-quiet operation is a game-changer, perfect for light sleepers or those who just want peace. Plus, it's smart home compatible, so you can control it from anywhere using your phone or voice assistant. If you value efficiency, design, and smart features, this is a top contender. At number 4 is LG 8000 BTU window air conditioner. What if you could cool your space effortlessly and control it from anywhere? The LG 8000 BTU window air conditioner is more than just a cooling unit. It's a smart, efficient, and reliable way to stay comfortable all year round. Designed to cool rooms up to 330 square feet, this unit delivers powerful cooling with customizable fan speeds. Whether you need a quick blast of cold air or a steady, energy-efficient breeze, this AC has you covered. The best part? LG ThinQ technology lets you control everything from your smartphone or with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can adjust the temperature without lifting a finger. The auto restart function ensures your settings stay intact even after a power outage, and the 24-hour timer lets you schedule cooling just the way you like it. For those seeking smart, efficient, and hassle-free cooling, this is one of the best 8,000 BTU window air conditioners available. The third one on our list is Black Decker B88WT6 window air conditioner. Struggling with the summer heat? The Black plus Decker B88WT6 window air conditioner is here to save the day. With 8,000 BTU of cooling power, it transforms any bedroom, office, or small living space up to 350 square feet per square into a refreshing retreat. Installation is hassle-free, and the digital LED display, remote control, and 24-hour timer let you fine-tune your comfort effortlessly. Featuring auto, low, medium, and high speeds, this energy-efficient window AC cools quickly without spiking your electricity bill thanks to its R32 refrigerant, which is eco-friendly and 10% more efficient than R410A. Users rave about its powerful cooling and compact design, but some note it can be a bit noisy when installed too close to seating or sleeping areas. If you need a reliable, high-performance 8,000 BTU window air conditioner, this unit is a solid investment. But if noise is a concern, you may want to consider alternative placements. And number 2 is Midea EasyCool Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner. What if you could have cooling in summer and warmth in winter, all in one sleek, ultra-efficient unit? The Midea EasyCool Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner is here to revolutionize comfort. With 8,000 BTU power, this energy-efficient window AC is perfect for rooms up to 350 SQFT, cooling fast while consuming 35% less energy thanks to its inverter technology. Plus, it's whisper quiet, operating at just 45 BPA, making it one of the quietest 8,000 BTU window air conditioners available. Smart controls? Absolutely. Use the Smart Home app, Alexa, or Google Assistant to adjust settings from anywhere. The supplemental heating function is a game-changer, though some users noted it originally lacked a defrost cycle in colder temperatures. But a Wi-Fi update fixed that. If you need a powerful, ultra-quiet, and smart-controlled unit for year-round comfort, this is a top pick. However, if you experience harsh winters, double-check if the heating suits your needs. Now, moving to the last one is Frigidaire 8000 BTU window air conditioner. Imagine stepping into a room where the blazing summer heat disappears in minutes. That's exactly what the Frigidaire 8000 BTU window air conditioner delivers. Fast, powerful cooling without the hassle. With multi-speed fan options, a programmable 24-hour timer, and effortless temperature control, this unit adapts to your needs like a pro. Whether you're battling 90-plus degree days or just need a cool, comfortable workspace, this top-rated 8,000 BTU window AC is a lifesaver. Installation? Easy. It's designed with a slide-out chassis that distributes weight for a stress-free setup. Noise? Surprisingly quiet, especially compared to standing fans. Plus, the sleep mode helps save energy while keeping the temperature just right overnight. Now, it's not perfect. Some might find it a bit bulkier than other models, and while it's quiet, it's not silent. But if you need consistent, reliable cooling with smart features, this is a must-buy. After comparing the best 8,000 BTU window air conditioners, the Midea EasyCool Smart Inverter takes the crown. Its energy-saving inverter technology, ultra-quiet operation, and smart controls make it a standout choice. While others excel in different areas, Midea delivers powerful, efficient, and year-round comfort. Stay cool, stay smart. So guys, this was the video about the best 8,000 BTU window air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.